Hi, my name is Rani Rolston. I am a shareholder at Alan Lescht Associates. I've been working here for almost 10 years. I'm originally from West Virginia, and I went to undergrad and law school at WVU. I went into employment law because I knew I wanted to do human rights law, and I wanted to be a litigator. And so to me, that meant I want to go to trials, and I want to do civil rights. I want to practice and represent people, and specifically minorities, women, workers' rights, things like that. And so employment law is really the best sort of way to practice in that realm of doing civil rights, where discrimination and things like that. It's a place where people have those issues happening often in their jobs. One of the most rewarding cases for me that always sticks out in my mind is a case where this former security guard, came to me, and when I met him, he could barely walk, he had very little teeth, and he had been homeless, living out of his car. I spoke with a voice box, and he basically, what he told me was he had been working as a security guard at a bank for 10 years, perfect attendance. He developed cancer, which resulted in the removal of his larynx, which he had to use a voice box to communicate with after that. And it wasn't in accordance with the call-off procedures there, and they wouldn't give him a reasonable accommodation to call a supervisor directly, so he was fired, and he lost everything. He lost his home. He couldn't live in a homeless shelter because of the susceptibility with having using the voice box from the cancer, and he was living out of a car. But we ended up going to mediation, having a lawsuit, and we ended up with a result, an agreement with the company, where it was a really favorable result for the client. The next time I saw him, he had all new teeth, he was walking with a pep in his step, and he was very happy, and it was a really memorable moment in my practice since being here.